Hey guys, so I'm coming to you from my kitchen in my bunny onesie. Can you see my friend in the back here? Don't mind the huge mess. I'm selling my table tomorrow. That's some stuff that has to go out to my garage, and I have all my food in boxes or things back here. It's a giant mess. Yes, I know. It's called moving. I have to take all my food out of my cupboards, and yeah, it is really insane. Like literally the most insane thing I've ever done. So I just want to give you guys a quick update. So we listed our house for sale, and within the first, I'd say 4 days, we had 4 offers. So we ended up having one that we got, finalized and under contract. And when we flew down for my husband's job interview, my hair is looking real nice, real nice. It's all blonde again. But the bunny onesie is not doing good on my hair. So when we flew down for the job interview, we found a house that we liked. And this house is not that much bigger than this house, but it's like completely different. Like this house, it looks really small from the front, and it's like a rambler with a basement. And this house is a 2-story. And another nice thing is we have like bedrooms up, bedrooms down. And this one, it's like the kitchen, dining room, and living room is all on the main level, and the garage and upstairs are all the bedrooms. So it's nice because it's a little different layout, and I think it'll work better for our family. And so that I'm excited about. But the coolest thing is, like, I always complain how small my bedroom is. My bedroom is literally like 10 by 12. It's a really small bedroom. I bought this house for this kitchen. This kitchen is enormous. That's why I bought it. So my bedroom's really small. I don't have a master bathroom. We all have one shower that we use. This house has 3 bathrooms. So it has a downstairs half bath, and then it has, isn't he so cute? And then it has 2 bathrooms upstairs, so one for the kids and then a master bathroom. But that's not the best part. So actually, like, our master bedroom is kind of over the garage. And when you walk into our master bedroom, there's like a door. So there's like a walk-in closet, which I'm like, glory, hallelujah. Another full closet. And then there was another door, and I opened it up, and it's a bonus room. So it's a bonus room above part of the garage, and there's a window in there. And I'm like, this is amazing. So I'm going to turn that into my filming space. So I am so excited. It's a pretty decent sized room. I'd say it's like 8 by 8. And it's like probably just meant for storage or whatever, and it's not completely finished, but I feel like I can like get a backdrop and get my lights up and like have my stuff, and it'll be so nice because before my filming area was like part of our living room downstairs, and so it was like playroom slash filming area, and so it was hard because when I was trying to film, like the kids couldn't be down there playing or whatever. It'll be like completely isolated. It'll be awesome. I'm really, really excited. I can't wait to see how the space works once I actually get in there. Also, with my job, I've had to kind of, as you guys know, I am like quitting my salon, I guess, or closing my salon. So I'm getting rid of a lot of my salon stuff, and I'm getting rid of my big salon chair. But I have like a makeup chair that's kind of hydraulic that I'm going to keep because I figure I can use it to sit on for filming. Also, like for my family, I can still cut their hair using it. Or, if my family comes into town and they want their hair colored, I mean, they always will, it's just a thing. So I'm not going to work from home. If I get my license transferred, which I'm planning on doing, I will just go and work in a salon. And I'll probably just do that 1 or 2 days a week. But I think I probably wouldn't start looking for something until the fall to give my kids a chance to get like settled into school, get my house unpacked, get everything done. Then we have the summer, and like I don't know anyone for babysitting and things, so there's a lot of like what would happen kind of things. Just to get to know my neighbors and try to make some friends. It's just kind of crazy. So there's so much up in the air. I don't know when I'll actually start working in a salon. But any place that I'd work, I'd have to be commission-based stylist because I don't have any clients. So I can't like rent a booth or rent a studio or anything because I don't have anyone to come. So I'm curious if you guys are stylists, if you guys have ever worked in like corporate salons, let me know what you guys liked, because I'd like to do like a nicer salon, but I don't really know. I've never worked in a corporate salon. I've only worked in like private salons. So, I mean, I'm sure there's some of those too. I don't know because I literally am buying a house that I've been in for 30 minutes, which is insane. Like, we walk through it, and I don't know about you, but like, have you ever gone into a place and you're just like, this feels right. I can see myself living here. Yes, 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 yes. Like, that's how it was when we went into this house. I just walked in and I was just like, this kitchen is great. The family room is huge. Okay, this is so awesome. I went upstairs and I walked into the master bedroom and I saw the walk-in closet. And I just said, I love this house. I love this house. I love this house. Because then I looked in double sinks, separate shower, garden tub, storage, and then the bonus room, and I was just like, okay, I'm sold. I'm sold on this house. Sorry, I'm touching my hair. It's probably really annoying. I was like, okay, I love this house. But I like wasn't taking into like how much cover space is underneath, and is there a shower curtain or like a shower door in the kids' bathroom? Is there one sink or two? Like, there's so many little details about the house that I don't know. I just know that it felt right, and I could see myself there. I liked the layout of it. And the only thing I didn't like was that the laundry room is downstairs and it's kind of in one of those like cubby closets. First world problems, okay? Right now I don't really have a laundry room because my laundry room is in the same room as my salon. So I'm kind of used to not having a laundry room. I'm getting distracted by you. I'm kind of used to not having my own laundry room, but it's like, man, I really wish there was. But that's like the only thing about the house I didn't really like. So it's like, well, I'm spoiled. This like beggars can't be choosers. I wanted to be in a good area. I wanted to have good schools. All those things are important. Have a safe neighborhood to live in. And I looked up lots of reviews of neighborhoods and like subdivisions and things because I wanted to make sure and like how people felt about them. And there was a guy, I guess, who had lived in our subdivision for a while. Our house is much newer than this one. This house was built in 1950. My new house was built in 2007. So someone said that they'd lived there the entire time and they'd had like no crime, like, like very little things going on, but nothing like crazy or anything. So we're having movers coming who are like packing everything, but I have gone on like a major declutter. Like, I'm just like, is this worth taking across the country? No, done, no, done, no, done. I've been decluttering so much, and then I like have to declutter for me. Then there's my husband's stuff, and then I have 3 children. That's so much stuff. Like, you don't realize how much stuff you just start cramming in closets, and you're just like, oh yeah, let's put this in a Tupperware and put this in the closet. Oh, it's good. And then you're like, why do we have all this stuff? Or things that like my kids kind of outgrew of like toys wise, but I'm like, oh, it's a nice toy, spent a lot of money on it. Let's put it away, see if they get into it. And it's like, no, they're just really not into it anymore. And that's fine. But I'd rather just give it to someone or donate it, So I even listed like, I don't need my perm rods anymore. So I just listed them on like a, website, classifieds, and said free, someone come get them. I'm trying to sell my salon chair. This table and chairs here. Someone is coming to look at tomorrow. It's like a vintage set, but they are leaving their table and chairs in the breakfast nook and in their dining room. I don't know why, but they're like a nice glass top table, and I'm just like, they're really pretty, and I'm like, sure, I'll take those. I'm like, that's one less thing that has to be moved. And I was like, well, yeah, I'll just sell this and try something else new. I feel like this style of table doesn't really fit our new house because like this is more like country cottage, like bungalow, and that's more like modern. So I don't know that it like fits the flow of the house, if that makes sense, like kind of the aesthetic. But yeah, so we've just been busy like decluttering a lot of things, like so many things I've been decluttering. And then I have to separate like things that I'm getting rid of, things that I'm leaving here for the movers to pack, and then things that I need to take with me. Because I'm like, well, I need things like my kids' birth certificates to enroll them in school. And like, I need this paperwork for the house, and I need, XYZ like medicines and things like that. Like, you have to take with us. And then we have the time in between that we're going to be living at my mom's house. And my husband is actually already gone. So I get to do this all by myself. That's why it's so crazy. They literally gave him 3.5 weeks before they're like, oh, we want you to start March 1st. And I'm like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Like, oh. So I'm trying to be Wonder Woman and doing this on my own. I'm doing okay. I've got, good friends and family that are helping me. So yeah, my mom lives about 20 minutes away from where I live. So I'm just gonna have to be like driving my kids back and forth all day long to school. I sold my car because we didn't want to have to drive 2 cars. And so I haven't had a car But now my husband's flown out. Now I have his car. It's like, it's just the craziest thing. Like, I like put an offer on a house, got an offer on our house, and sold my car all within 4 days. And you know, it's like across the country. Like, what? Like, I just can't even explain how crazy this has been. It has been really crazy. But let's see. So now I just basically have to get the rest of the stuff sorted. And then we're going to have the movers come, and then they're going to pack everything. And then the next day we close on the 7th. And treat to myself, I'm just paying for someone to come clean the house. Like, it's not like my house is really dirty. Like, I keep my house up nice. It's just like cluttered because the moving and all that stuff. But it's like, you know, it's worth it to me to not have to, like, when you move the furniture, you know, the baseboards and all that stuff is going to have to be cleaned, and the floors need to all be mopped and vacuumed, and, you know, you move your kids' beds, and, you know, it's just, stuff's got to be cleaned up before you move out, and I just don't want to take time to do it because it'll be, like, me with my kids, no internet here, no toys, nothing, you know, it's just, I'm like, I'll just pay someone to do it, though. She's here. So, that is kind of what's going on. And I'm excited. It's going to be weird not doing hair. I've done hair for so long. Like, I don't know. I have to file to get my license transferred, and I don't know how long that will take. And then just thinking about not doing hair till fall, I don't know. Maybe I'll do it sooner. I just don't know. It'll be weird. The longest I've ever gone without doing hair is probably like a month. Because even when I quit for 6 months, I still had friends and family I was doing, so it wasn't like I was not doing hair. So this is going to be a total life change for me, and I'm excited, but I'm nervous. It's like where I live now, like people are really chill, and it's like not a high income area. There's just a lot of like normal families living paycheck to paycheck. Now our house we're buying is like a smaller home, but it's like in an area that has a lot larger houses. So I'm like nervous because like I'm just kind of like chill. My neighborhood's chill. Like nobody's like judgy. Like, oh, people complain about like, oh, what kind of bag is she wearing? What kind of shoes is she wearing? Like, I don't have to worry about that. Like people here are just really chill, low key. Everyone's minding their own business. And I'm just nervous about like living in that kind of area. Like, are people going to be snooty? Are they going to be nice? So we'll see. We'll see what it's like. Hopefully they're just super nice and welcoming to us. So I don't know what to expect, but I did go out and like go a little shopping, get some new clothes. It's like, I'm starting a whole new life. I have to find all new friends. I will have my family. Like, you want to put your best self forward and like get your hair done. And so I kind of transitioned my hair to like a balayage. It looks horrible right now, but I'm letting it be like rooted, as you can see, which I have been doing, but I just kind of blended it so it's not like a harsh line. Because when I had the straight up platinum, like it was just like, oh man, everything's backwards. It was a line like when it grew out, and now it's just kind of softened, if that makes sense. And then I kept the bangs light right there, and it's pretty naturally lighter on my face anyway. And I cut my hair a little shorter because, I wanted to look fresh. And I know it's that thing. You shouldn't worry what other people think about you. And I don't want to worry about what people think about me. But I just want to put my best foot forward and feel my best. And I know when I get a few new outfits to wear and get my hair done and do my makeup, like I feel confident. And that helps me be more social because I tend to be a little bit more introverted. Like, I'm really outgoing when I'm talking to people one-on-one. But when I get in a big crowd of people or when I don't know people, I tend to be really shy. And so I just don't want to like get so shy and like unconfident that I just don't make friends and I just stay home all the time. And so I'm trying to encourage myself to be more social by like, feeling confident and dressing up nice and that kind of thing. So it's really not about what other people think as much. Just I want to make friends. I want to be confident. I want to enjoy my life. So yeah. So we got lots of new things going on. And that's pretty much all I want to tell you guys about. So look forward to some videos from my new filming space, but that will be a little while. I left all my makeup at my mom's, so I'm going to try to film some declutters because I didn't declutter anything. I'm going to try to film those, and I'm going to bring my computer there because I don't want them to move it because it's like, I want to be safe. So I'll bring this here, so when I have that like week between closings. Hopefully I can film some more declutters and post those. And that'll kind of stretch me through until I can get moved and get my new space set up and that kind of thing. So anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and sorry for the crazy video in my bunny jammies, because I'm like, you know, a 5-year-old who wears rabbit pajamas. All right, I'll see you guys later.